Ensisinkano eno ebeerayo buli mwaka n'ekigendererwa ekyokukuuma obumu n'enkulaakulana nga batambulira ku mulamwa okugamba nti culture is home nga ku mulundi guno baakubeera bugoloobi. Ebintu ebyenjawulo muli emmere, amazina, ebyokwambala n'ebirala byakwolesebwa ku lunaku luno. Emmanuel Edulu akuliddemu enteekateeka eno annyonnyodde amakulu g'ensisinkano eno era akunze Abateeso okujja mu bungi.
Now the Akogo Festival, it's been there since 2017 when we officially launched it across Iteso sub-region, and it's an annual event that brings Iteso together to celebrate culture. It's a symbol of unity. Iteso come together to celebrate culture.
Ayongeddeko nti kyangiza okubeera obumu n'okwegatta kuva mu bitundu ebyenjawulo nga kibayambako okwekulaakulanya.
There has been demand from our community in Kampala here because Akogo happens in Iteso region annually. So this is an extension, and to us it's a plus because this is how culture is promoted even in different communities. The event of Kampala is going to happen on Saturday 2nd May. Saturday 2nd May here at City Royal Resort Hotel Bugolobi. And why we chose this place, our theme for the year is culture is home.
Come and we have fun, come and we experience the rich culture of Iteso, the rich food, the drinks, and the hospitality from the loving people of Iteso.
Even when you are here, we have security team which are on plain clothes, and those also those ones on uniform. So we want to assure even all our senior guests, our honorables whom we have invited, that your security is catered for.
Tedi Buyinza yakusakidde kuli ino.